Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and today I have a bit of an unboxing of the July 2022 Spellbinders Club kits. I don't get everything, but I just want to show what I got this month and what I'll be crafting with this month. So starting off, I have the embossing folder of the month and lovely 5.5 by 8.5 size. So I say this every time. I love that we get this size because you can emboss panels for a lot of different size cards. So it makes it super versatile. And what's cool about this is I love that we have different patterns. So you could even maybe just do emboss strips. Instead of doing a fully embossed panel, just emboss, or you can emboss a full panel, but then cut it into strips, and then just have those different patterns on selectively on your card front instead of having a full card front that's been embossed. And so I thought that might be a cool way to use this. And as well, since they are just strips, you could emboss different colored cardstock, and then again kind of slice them up and then mix it up too, so you can kind of change the order of these patterns and mix up the colors as well to build up really unique different patterns. So I thought that's a really fun one to use, especially since I think they're pretty straight. I don't think those are wonky lines. So I think it's going to be an easy one to just take to a trimmer and cut into strips. So that's the embossing folder of the month. Then we have the small die of the month, and this one might look a little bit strange, but the gist of it is basically this figure here is sort of the back and the arms of somebody who's sitting with their hands to their side. And this is the bathing suit that you would dress her with. Then we've got some flip-flops, and she doesn't have a head per se. Well, I guess this is her head here. No, this is, I don't know. This is either the top of the hat or her head, or there are two pieces here, so maybe it's both. But the idea is that she's wearing this large sort of sun hat, which I think is so fun, and you've got some ribbon for sort of the top of the hat there. So that's for you to kind of build up a beachy scene of a woman kind of from behind sitting on a little beach blanket. So this will die cut and emboss that sort of beach towel stripy pattern, but then you also have that stripy pattern in die cut form. So this you can cut into your card, and then this is sort of a little sort of like a beach tote that you can also have as just something that's kind of sitting beside her. So maybe you can tuck the flip-flops inside or next to the tote. So really cute, perfect for summer. Excuse my puppy if you can hear her chewing on her toy in the background. Next, I've got the clear stamp and die of the month. So this one's really cute. So you've got your popsicle, and it's a nice solid stamp too. So you can just stamp that out. You don't have to worry about coloring. Got the little popsicle stick here, and then you've got two separate dies too. So that's the top portion of the popsicle, and then that's the stick at the bottom. And then you have an orange slice, or it could be lemon or lime, and the solid stamp to go with that. Then you've got strawberry. So you have the strawberry, then a separate stamp for the like the seeds on the strawberry. So great, all of these little details, and then even a separate stamp for the stem at the top of the strawberry. And then you have these other circular, not quite like perfect circles, but odd shaped circles in a solid shape. You've got the dies to cut that out, and I Don't know off the top of my head exactly what these are for. So I'll have to kind of explore that a little bit more. Oh, I didn't even see this. This has the wood green detail for the popsicle stick. So that's awesome. And then you've got a ton of sentiments, and I'm presuming most, if not all of them, have coordinating dies to cut them out. So we have a chill summer, La Dolce Vita, sunshine and good times. Anything is popsicle. That's funny. You're my favorite flavor. I hope your birthday is sprinkled with happiness. Happiness is ice cream on a summer day. Oh, too true. Hello, sunshine. It's a good day to be happy. You melt my heart. So lovely that. And then I have the large die of the month. This one's going to be super fun. Look at that. You got this big, it's a big truck, and I think it's meant to be a food truck because this is so fun. It's got the window here, and you've got sort of the like that overhang that you can add as a bit of detail to kind of have a little bit of an interactive element where you can maybe open it up to reveal the window, and you have dies here to create a taco. So there's the taco. I think that's lettuce, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna have to explore this, but that looks so stinking cute. And then you have dies to cut an ice cream soap cone. So that's the cone and then the ice cream on top. And I'm sure some of these are gonna be for the taco, and then some are gonna be for your ice cream. But this is gonna be a really, really fun one to craft with. So you can make a little food truck, like a little Taco Tuesday truck, or a summer ice cream truck. So this is gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait to craft with this one. So those are the Spellbinders July Club kits that I got, and when I craft with this kit, I'll be sure to link to that video at the end of this one. If I do have multiple videos, then I'll try to always link to the next one at the end of the video. And if you want to ever catch past Spellbinders videos, I also have a playlist of all of my Spellbinders videos, so I'll link to that at the end of this video too. Thanks so much for joining me today, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye!